Okay, I wanted to show the engine bay, so we're gonna start off. It's been running about 20 minutes. You can see 120,000 miles, just over. Coolant temp is perfect. Idles around 550. Let's go check out the engine bay. Brand new grills on there. Brand new emblem. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. So beautiful, smooth running. I'll go over everything I did to it. Just got it detailed. Let's turn it off, talk a little bit about what I've done. Okay, since I've got this, I completely took apart air boxes, so new hoses or intake hose, cleaned out the MAF, brand new air filters, both sides, new distributor cap and rotor on the inside. What else did I do? There's a new camshaft sensor that I installed down there. I put new mounts for this. It used to be loose. Let's see here. So that is pretty much that. But for the cooling system, I got a new cap and gasket for this oil filler. I haven't taken off the intake. I would say the valve cover gaskets probably need to be done. But I redid the whole cooling system. So new fan shroud, new fan, clutch pulley, new radiator, all OE, new reservoir cap, so new hose upper, you can see in there. These are the air pump hoses. Got new hoses for that. Got one too. New radiator hose that goes through here, connects here. New lower hose, you can see down there, both that one and that one have been replaced. For the cooling system, flush filled. New belts, and I'm gonna get underneath and do a video about that too. But new belts, both sides of the engine, for the AC side and the alternator side, I believe. So yeah, brand new cooling. Let's see what else. Cabin air filters, brand new, both sides. I think that's pretty much for the engine bay. Yeah. So next videos will kind of show some more stuff, what I've been working on underneath and the entire suspension. So that's it. She's a beauty.